Welcome back to Steve's Small Engine Saloon.
Okay, thanks for coming back, people. Day 19. Woo, we're getting there. Okay, this is a John Deere question. 30 days of questions. Okay, here we go. I want to buy a John Deere riding lawnmower. Awesome. Is it better to buy from Home Depot or from an actual John Deere dealership? Home Depot dealership. Home Depot dealership.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Okay, there's a couple points I want to bring up on this one. First of all, say this year at the John Deere, the consumer grade, the homeowner grade John Deere ride-on lawnmowers are S something. So say you got S130. The S130 that you buy at Home Depot is the exact same S130 that you buy at your local John Deere dealership. A lot of people think they're different. The reason that I know they are exactly the same is because I've worked at John Deere dealers for so many years. When we look up parts, a customer comes in and says, hey, I have an S130, an S120, whatever, and I need this or that. When we look that up on the John Deere website at the parts, it doesn't say, oh, well, which one is it? Is it the dealership one or is it the Home Depot one or the Lowe's one? I think you can buy them at Lowe's now too. They're the same exact, every single nut and bolt part number on that breakdown that we look at is the same. An S130 is an S130, no matter where you buy it from. If you go to Home Depot or Lowe's or something like that and you see they're on sale, you could go to your local John Deere dealership and say, hey, well, Home Depot's got them on for this price. Can you match that price? And I can almost guarantee you they're going to say, yeah, of course. Now, there's a huge thing here that a lot of people don't know about. If you buy that riding lawnmower from Home Depot or Lowe's or whatever, not your dealership, and you take that back to them for a warranty, guess where that goes? Home Depot, the box stores don't do the warranty for you. The closest John Deere dealership does the warranty for them, for you. So if you just bought it at Home Depot and you take it in, it goes to the dealership and they go, well, they didn't buy it here. Guess what happens to your unit? Right on the back shelf, and you are going to be waiting for a long time to get your warranty work done on that unit. Because the dealership is going to be like, well, you're not our customer, you're Home Depot's customer. We're going to take care of our customers first, and then when we get time, we'll do your warranty work for you too, but you're going to be waiting for a long time. That is a huge difference right there for whether you should buy it from Home Depot or from your local John Deere dealer.
That makes a lot of sense.
That really does. A lot of people don't know that.
Yeah, so I'd say support the smaller dealerships.
And that is a really good point too. I'm glad you just said that, because you want to support your local, shop local and all that stuff. A lot of people say that. Shop local, support your local John Deere dealer. Don't support the big box stores.
I love it.
What do you got?
Okay, give them the thumbs up for that, because I shop local for sure. Please subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for day 20. That's on, battery powered stuff. Ooh.
Uh-oh.
That's not really our forte, but okay. If you missed our previous questions, don't forget to check out the description under the video or go back to our channel. And don't forget that bell notification so you don't miss the upcoming questions. And I think that's it for today.
Sounds good to me. And all I got to say now is Steve and April out.